When's the best time to put your home on the market and maximize the sale price and shorten the amount of time that it takes to get your home sold? The data is out. As a broker in the South Florida market for over 25 years, I'll be covering this and some more in this video. All right, so let's look at the data. In 2014 to 2019, you can see on this report that Q2 of the year is when the peak number of sale of homes happens. That's the months of April, May, and June. That's the second quarter of every year over the last 5 years. The reason I didn't cover year 2020 and 2021 is those markets were thrown off because of COVID and the changes that happened as a result of COVID. But the trend has continued again in 2022, with Q2 being the highest number of sales. So what about sales prices? Well, on this graph, you can see that the median sales price peaks up and then goes back down. And the peak is always happening in Q2 and Q3 of the year. The Q3 peaks happen because of the sales that happen in Q2 and close in Q3. So the bottom line is spring and summer are the right time to sell. The slower months are going to be in the winter months, like the holidays and the beginning of the next year. So when to put the house on the market? Early spring. That's the time to do it. So if you have any other questions, or if you have comments about your experience in selling a home, or have questions about when you should put your house in the market, go ahead and comment below. And keep in mind that regardless of what's happening in the market, when you're in a seller's market, it's always a good time to sell in a seller's market. And currently we are in a strong seller's market. So if you're contemplating the sale of your home and you have questions and want us to analyze some information for you, we'd be happy to do that with no cost or obligation. Thanks again, and we'll be in touch.